with my special guest. I'm English and I'm Bisaya. Okay, let's start to clean up. This is part 6 to clean up, right?
Yes, okay na.
Clean na.
Sugod na.
I'm to be
Sugod na to ko to.
So good not to do it. Ay.
Wala na.
Part 7, we're gonna make different things. Not houses, anything we can make. This is only for kids, right?
Yes.
Not for adults. Her channel is
Hey, not for kids. Not
Her
for
is-
adults. With childhood. Yes.
her account is for what?
Yes.
What is your account for? I'm only kids.
I'm only childhoods.
Childhoods.
That childhood is
And
Maybe-
my channel is for kids and kids to learn how life is so nice and be respectful and
honestly.
honest to their parents and good to be good to their parents, right?
Yes.
So we can use different languages. Bro, do not feel that. Do you have my pen? The
No.
googly one?
No.
Part 7. So my cousin is gonna say yes for 29 seconds. 4 seconds. 5 seconds. 1 minute. 20. I did it 20.
No.
6 seconds and 7 minutes. She will say yes for me. Yay! And part 7 in her channel, I will say yes for her. Right?
Yes.
Bro, I'm not gonna be excited for this one. No, I'm gonna be stressed. So, my age is 9. My birth month is May 4, 2015. And her year is
June 7.
January 7.
June 7.
June 7.
Parehas sa tagkuan na year.
Year?
Yes.
And her age is 9.
Tutong saan man eh.
Budam! I know it. So there. You're gonna clean. So you're gonna pick this up. And those some buildings. All parts of them. I'm just gonna. Wait. No, stop bumping into me. We can use all languages, right?
Okay.
Okay? We're just gonna use all languages. I'm just gonna use only the all. So, aking bahay is troublemakers. I'm the only troublemaker. Sa akin, balbalin ko. Ako ay isang balbal. Ako yung isang runner. So, Bisayang Inglesera ako eh. Ako.
Pero hindi kami taga-Amerika. Taga-Philippines po kami.
Ako si Isabel only speaks all languages.
All languages. You speak Chinese, Japanese.
Samsa. Teacher. Joke.
Wala ko mag-Chinese.
I will pick any languages and my cousin will pick anything. So I will pick English
I will pick
and
Chinese.
Bisaya.
I will speak Chinese,
Be,
Bisaya,
speak,
Tagalog.
speak. Speak Chinese.
Chinese?
Yeah.
Wait.
Go wait.
Wait.
Boy, ako
Well-
manana. But stop though. You don't know even you're doing. So speak Japanese.
I see Chinese.
Oh, yeah. Speak Chinese.
She as. She as.
Oh,
She as.
bro, you guys know that? I don't speak that language.
I know speaking, but because my classmate, she teaching me how to Chinese because she is Chinese.
I have a Chinese book.
Dili man.
I have that. Bro, stop. Bro, stop. Ako ra. Ako si. I know she don't. I have a Chinese book.
You have a Chinese book. I have a Chinese classmate.
Or a Japanese book. I don't know. If I have those.
Where is the Chinese book?
Which
This one?
Yeah. That full or Chinese or Japanese. I don't know that. I can't even read that. More girl. See? I have a Chinese book. So put it ba?
Diba?
Put it down. So you like it? Put it down.
Nasada ka siya ba?
Bili sa classmate mo na. Iya ko nahatagon. Sikador na. Bro, don't read that. You know you're gonna know it.
Memorize man gid ako ang
Be. Remember sa?
Memorize man gid ako tanan
Be.
Ah.
Storyak be.
Suryahan, di man gani ka kasabot.
Storyak be.
Siya kon sa malite. Hindi mo gani ka kasabot na. Ako ingani.
Ayaw.
Kotonan.
Game Pro.
Kay magupot.
Mm.
Okay na. I'm gonna rest a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Okay. So, bye guys!